Peru News Today, all you need to know about Peru.
Martín Vizcarra on the case of tax debts. Prescribing would not be the most convenient. The head of state ruled on the case that is in the hands of the Constitutional Court. Although he said that the executive will respect the ruling of the body, he warned that the close to 10 billion that the government would cease to receive would have an impact on the economy. The President of the Republic, Martín Vizcarra, referred to the unconstitutionality claim on the prescription of tax debts of large companies, which this Tuesday will be analyzed by the plenary session of the Constitutional Court. I am sure that the Constitutional Court (TC) will act looking for what corresponds, and we will have to respect, because we have always said that we are respectful. But I think that prescribing would not be the most convenient thing, and that the plenary session of the Constitutional Court should, in any case, make the most appropriate decision that conforms to the law, as it has always done, he said. From Cusco, the head of state reiterated that the executive will be respectful of the ruling issued by the agency, but warned that the nearly 10 billion that the government would cease to receive, in the event of an unfavorable opinion, would have an impact on the economy. To give you an idea, the budget for a whole year of health is 20 billion a year. We are talking about half of a year's health budget. So they can see the impact it would have, he commented. It is equivalent to the construction of 400,000 rural houses. It is a major impact on our economy. But, finally, the Constitutional Court is looking at this issue and, as always, we respectfully hope that they will make the most appropriate decision, he said. The president noted that the National Superintendency of Customs and Tax Administration, SUNAT, has made a solid support in this process. In addition, he pointed out that the Liberated Bar Association has already withdrawn a lawsuit he filed with the TC. There is no one who demands, and there is one who defends, which is the Peruvian state, said Vizcarra. The plenary session of the TC analyzes today the claim of unconstitutionality on the prescription of tax debts of large companies. The presentation of the case is in the hands of Magistrate Ernesto Bloom, who proposes to declare unconstitutional the first supplementary provision of Legislative Decree 1421 on the statute of limitations, arguing that the executive power exceeded its functions when approving the norm under the authority to legislate in tax matters. If this proposal is approved, according to specialists' estimates, the state would stop charging 11 billion soles to large companies. The direct beneficiaries of this sentence would be some 158 companies, including mining companies, construction companies, supermarkets, clinics and private universities.
Visit at www.perunewstoday.com. Also follow on Facebook and Twitter.